Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise on chapter 1, that means chapter set. Here number 1, decide among the following sets which sets are subsets of one and another. Here some sets are given. A, x such that x belongs to R and x satisfy x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. One equation is given here. And B 2, 4, 6, C 2, 4, 6 dot dot up to infinity, that means set of even numbers, and here D equal to only 6. So first you have to solve this one, x square minus 8x plus 12. If you solve x square minus 8x plus 12, then you will get the two values of x. So solve this one. Therefore x a equal to x such that x belongs to R, x square here 12 and symbol is here plus symbol, 2 6 are 12, 2 plus 6 equal to 8. So x square minus 2x minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. Or you can write this one, x such that x belongs to R. Here if you take common x, you will get x minus 2 minus 6 common x minus 2 equal to 0. Next, x such that x belongs to R. Here you will get x minus 2 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So you will get the values of x equal to 2 and 6. So a equal to 2, 6. A equal to 2 and 6. Now you have to check which are the subsets of which one. So here 2, 6, here 2, 4, 6. So A is a subset of B. A is a subset of, therefore you can write A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Next, B is a subset of C, you can write. B is a subset of C, you can write. Next, D is a subset of C. You can write D is a subset of C. You can write D is a subset of A. You can write D is a subset of B. So you can write in this way also, D is a subset of A is a subset of B is a subset of C. You can write in this way also. And I have already wrote this one, B is a subset of C. So this is the answer of question number 1. Number 2, in each of the following determine whether the statement is true or false. If it is true, prove it. If it is true, then you have to prove it. And if it is false, give an example. So number 1, if x belongs to A, that means the element x belongs to set A. So this one set A, here x. Again A belongs to B. And this set A is also an element of B. That means A here only x and the set B here element A. That means in this way you can write element A. This one the element. So then x belongs to B. Then here given x, the element x belongs to B. No, the element x is not belongs to B. Here this one belongs to B. This set is belongs to B, but not the element x is not belongs to B, but the set having the element x belongs to B. So this one false. You have to write this one false. False. For example, you have to give any example. Let A equal to say 2, 3, having elements 2 and 3, and B 3. B 2, 3. So therefore this one 2, 3, 2, 3. This one is belongs to B, but here 2 belongs to A, but 2 does not belongs to B, 3 does not belongs to B. Or you can write by taking only one element also. Number 2, if A is a subset of B and B belongs to C, then A belongs to C. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. If you will getting any problem in the sets, you will draw Venn diagram, then your problem will be solved. Remember this one. So here A is a subset of B and B belongs to C. Say any set, here say another set C. So that means you can write C equal to, you can write simply this one B. The set B belongs to set C. So then A is belongs to C. No, this one false. This one false. You can give an example. For example, let A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 1, 2, 3. And you can write C here. B belongs to C. So you can write say 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. In this way you can write the set this one. Then A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. B belongs to C. B belongs to C. But A 1, 2 is not there. But A does not belongs to C. So this is the example. This one false. Number 3. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A is a subset of C. If you draw a Venn diagram, A is a subset of B. Again, B is a subset of C. Then A is a subset of C. So this one true. But you have to prove this one. For proof, let X belongs to A. Or X belongs to, here A is a subset of B. That means every element of A is also element of B. So you can write X belongs to B. Here you have to write since A is a subset of B. Again, B is a subset of C. So every element of B is also element of C. So you can write X belongs to C since B is a subset of C. Therefore, A is a subset of C. A is a subset of C. You can write since X belongs to A, you got X belongs to C. So therefore, A is a subset of C. So you can write the notes. Number 4, if A is not a subset of B and B is not a subset of C, then A is not a subset of C. So this one false. This one false. For example, say let A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to say 3, 4, 5. Then A is not a subset of B since 1 is not belongs to B, 2 is not belongs to B. And if you take C, 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. Then A is a subset of C, but B is not a subset of C. Therefore, A is not a subset of B, B is not a subset of C, but A is a subset of C here. But A is a subset of C. So this one false. You can write. Number 5. If X belongs to A is not subset of B, then X belongs to B. This one also false. For example, say A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, say A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. X belongs to A. Say 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 4 belongs to A. And A is not a subset of B. And say B equal to 1, 2, 7, 9. Then 3 is not belongs to B, 4 is not belongs to B. So A is not a subset of B. But here X belongs to A. X belongs to A, that means 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 4 belongs to A. But here given 1 belongs to B, 2 belongs to B, but 3 and 4 is not belongs to B. So this one false. So therefore 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 4 belongs to A. A is a subset of B, but 3 is not belongs to B, 4 is not belongs to B. So this one false. You can write. Number 6, if A subset of B and X does not belongs to B, then X does not belongs to A. This one true. Here A, this one said A is a subset of B. Here given and X does not belongs to B. And any element say here X does not belongs to B, then X does not belongs to A. This one true. Let, for proof, let X belongs to A, then you will get X belongs to B, since A is a subset of B. X belongs to A, you will get X belongs to B. So, but here, if X does not belongs to A, X does not belongs to A, then X does not belongs to B. X does not belongs to B. So this one true. So you can write the notes. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.